Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use your smartphone as a remote control for DYON Movie Smart TV. First of all, make sure that both devices, your TV and your smartphone, are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So on your TV, navigate to the sidebar, open Settings, then go to Connection tab, then in here select Network, then go to Network Configuration, change it to wireless, and then make sure that you are connected to the same network as your smartphone. So in my case, it's gonna be this one. And after that, we're gonna have to download and install the VIDAA application on our smartphone. It's available both on Android and iPhones. So on your smartphone, let's open the Play Store or the App Store if you're using iPhone. Then open the search field and let's search for VIDAA application. And once you find it, here it is. Let's install this app. It's gonna take a couple of moments probably. And once the app is installed, let's open it. Okay, I see that we have to wait for a second. Then open this application. Then you can either agree or disagree for the product improvement, but I can already see that since our devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, the smartphone has automatically started scanning for our TV. But basically what we have to do is click Connect Device at the bottom, and if your devices are in fact connected to the same Wi-Fi network, you will immediately see your TV on the list. Then you're gonna have to enter this code you see on your TV screen on your smartphone. Once you have entered it, click Take Me Home, and then you can sign into your VIDAA account on your smartphone, but we don't actually have to do this. We can click Never Ask and then select Remote and use our TV as a our smartphone as a remote control to our TV. Here we have the arrow keys, OK button, we have volume control, sound volume control, we have channels control, mute button, microphone button, we have input change and menu button, return home, and basically everything we may need to use on our TV. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.